All right, so workbench tips enabled. When enabled, we'll show the watermark tips when no editor is open. So let me show you what that is. This is set to true by default. If we close all editors, we will see these tips right here, right? So let's go to settings again, and let's set this to false. And if we close that out, we won't have any tips there. Now, I don't really enjoy seeing those tips. Well, and if you take a look at the tips, actually, you'll see that, I mean, they are pretty standard. You know, show all commands, Shift Command P, Command Palette. You already know about that. You go to File. You know, this is the quick open action. I already know about that. Find in Files, Shift Command F. You know, something that's easily memorizable. Start debugging is F5, and toggle terminal, which is something that we usually do as well. So, I mean, it's so easy to memorize these commands that I don't really want to see them every time I have no editor window, so no editor is opened. So let's set this to false, and we have a little bit of a cleaner VS Code.